Hello, in this video we are going to learn about Excel's very important and very useful topic called fill. So weather is very chill and we are going to learn Excel's fill. There are many types of, I have listed out the main ones here: down, right, up, left, and fill series, and the new member, the latest member called Flashfill. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one how they are used and where they can be used. So let us go to Excel file and start using them. Here I am in Excel file which is blank. So in order to use this, let us input some data. So for that, let me insert name of the months. So I'll type first two and I'll drag until I get December. This is, by the way, this is also one of the fill. Let us insert days of the week. So here my data is ready now. So our first is down. How can we fill down? Like whatever data is there at the top, if I want the same data to appear below, what option shall I use? For that I have to go to home. Actually I'm already at home. I'm working from home, but this home is different from my home. This is Excel's home. Jokes apart, on serious note, go to fill, then down. Oh my god, what did I do? So what happened here is, since my upper row is blank, upper cell is blank, it filled the blank. So let me undo it, and if I want to fill down, I have to go one down and I have to use fill. Okay, fill down. Now if you ask me like how can I fill it for multiple rows or multiple cells, all I have to do is I have to select with the data. I want to fill this down, fill down. Okay, but I want to show you shortcut also. Are you interested? No? How do I do with shortcut? D for down. So Control plus D is the shortcut. Okay, that's it for down. So next is, what is there? I think it's up, right? Opposite of down is up. So let us see how we can do for up. Today is Saturday, so let us do for Saturday. Okay, otherwise Saturday will feel bad and it will never come. So if it never comes, I cannot record videos. If I cannot record videos, I cannot publish videos. If I cannot publish videos, you cannot learn. No, you can learn from other source also, but my videos are different. If I click here and if I don't select, it will do for only one cell. Okay, see here, up, right? But if I need for multiple cells, I have to select the source cell also, like from where the data has to be copied or filled. So fill, up. So is there any shortcut for this? Yes, Rudra, you cannot live without shortcut. I know that. It's Alt, leave Alt, then press E, leave E, then I, leave I, then U for up. Alt, E, I, U. The next one is right. So fill right. Let's do for Wednesday. Fill right. Okay, I'll select few cells, few blank cells towards the right, and press Control R. Control R is the shortcut. Okay, and you know how to do it from the ribbon. Go to home, fill. So for left, how do I do? As usual, I'll select. I'll go to fill, then left. And the shortcut, yes, shortcut is also there. The selection is, I have to select, then Alt E I L. Alt E I L. The difference is L for left, U for up. The next is, let us learn series. So in order to use this, I'll have to enter some data. Then I'll go to fill and series. Okay, so there are lots of options here, rows and columns. So if you want to fill for rows, like across, you have to use rows. If you want to fill down, usually we go for serial number. We use this for serial number and all those stuff. So most of the time we use columns. Okay, columns. Step value is what? Like what number should come next? I have 1 already. I have entered 1 already. So 1 should be added to 1. It should be 2, then 3, 4, and stop value. So let us say 25. Okay. And it's linear, type is linear. Okay, say 1 to 25, it's entered, it's filled the range 1 to 25. Let me undo it. Okay, then again let me bring this back, series. Okay, so this time let us use columns. Okay, not columns, this time let's use rows, and 1 stop value is, let us say 10. Okay, see, it filled across. The next is Flashfill. Flashfill was introduced in Excel 2013. So if you are using Excel 2007 or 10, you don't find this feature in your Excel. So the Flashfill is like it fills the series, or it extracts the data. I would say it's. So now I have my example data is like I have January and 508 is there. Then February 637 is there. Here 377 is there. Okay, so for April has only 98, only 2 characters I have to extract. So if I have to write formula, it is extremely difficult. So for that I have to type 508 and 637. As soon as I type 63, I have not typed even 7, it is suggesting me 7, and Excel suggested some numbers here, right? If I am okay with this suggestion, all I have to do is press enter, because now Excel is able to recognize that we are trying to extract number from the string. So all I have to do is press enter. In case if Excel is not able to recognize, so what we need to do is first type for the 2 records, now for January and February, then go to Home, Fill and Flashfill. Flashfill option is there in data also, data, Flashfill. Okay, this is so easy. No matter how many rows of data you have, it will fill in a flash, in a fraction of second. That's why it is called Flashfill. Very, very useful. But a word of caution is sometimes Excel suggests in a wrong way, and you have to cross check your data. Okay, so I think that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. It was a fun to discuss fills options of Excel. They are really useful, so please practice and make your life easier while working with Excel. If you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so that you get the notification of this type of videos whenever we publish it. As of now, we are publishing twice a week, so don't miss any video. Please watch completely and share with your friends also. Thank you for all your motivation in forms of like, comments and sharing. Have a great day. Bye.